Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Annie Jen and today we're going to be doing a new look which is going to be nude look, and I'll be using this foundation by Body Shop, and I have mixed this illuminator from Maybelline Master, and now we're going to be creating a really nice base which is going to be a little bit of on the highlighting end, little bit of shiny face look, because normally I always buy a matte foundation, so you can buy a matte foundation as well because that works the best all the time, because you cannot carry the glitters all the time. But then yes, you can mix highlighter into it to make it shiny one. So after doing the base, okay, this is a little bit glowing, so we will do the contouring, which is going to be a powder contour. That's again from the Smashbox palette, and this time it's not going to be that gel contour, so it's going to be quick. Let's make a fresh face quickly. On the nose, make sure it's not over it, it's on the side. After that, on the forehead, little bit, not a lot because it's a day look, just a bit is okay. You see when I smile, you see this cuts, it's there. Okay, same with the nose. Once the contouring is done, contouring for hiding the chin also, so we'll put a little bit here. Cool. After this, we will go to the concealing part. We will be highlighting some of the areas of the face. I will take the highlighter by NARS in this, and we will be highlighting under the area part. Okay, over the area, because we will not be using eye primer again this time also, because it's for beginners. Beginners do not buy everything. And yes, my next video is gonna be about the products that you require to do this makeups. Like once if you buy those limited products, you will be able to create a lot of looks after that. Little bit of here, if you want, just one straight line here. Although we don't need this one, but that's okay if you want to do it. Let's quickly blend it, merge it in the skin. So eyes up, and then just put it over there, eyes up. Keep your hand little low, don't pressurize a lot. Same here, just dab it here, and you have dabbed. Chin, okay. Nose, just go softer on the nose as well. And then finally, not last but not the least, on the eyes, just go slow, no lines, let it rest. Same on the other side, let it rest. If you have translucent powder, you can use translucent powder. If you don't have translucent powder, you can use banana powder. If you have bought the Smashbox palette or any palette that you have which has white powder in it, or you can use a compact. If you have, you can replace these things with compact to set your makeup. You can use compact always in place of the translucent powder or this. Now let's just quickly do the blusher. Let me take my brush, this fluffy brush I will take for the blushing, and I will be using this Body Shop blusher. This is again a peachy look. I love this color. I'm gonna put it over the contour. I will smile and put it over the contour. Same on the other side, smile, and on the cheeks you can put it there. And we will merge these two things little later. Okay, after doing this, we will quickly take a highlighter and we will highlight. Today's highlighter is from the Makeup Forever. It's one of the very expensive highlighter, if I say. It's just not easy buy. So we are taking this nice color, okay, and we will put a highlighter over the blusher and take it down little bit in between the nose, not on the contours, little bit on the chin. If you want, you can add a little more. Same here, here, same here, here. Okay, so we don't need a lot. Whatever is left, we can just put it over here in the forehead, because your forehead also shines pretty well. After doing this, we will now merge this, all the things that we have done here, the concealer, the blusher with the contour. First we will just dab on the concealer that we have put, and then dab on the blusher and the contour. So the contour is done here and here. You see, this is really nice look, isn't it? Now let's quickly do the eyes, the brown eyes, which goes all the time everywhere. And you can do a lot of things. If you learn just these two things, you can do a lot of makeups on your own, because that is the basic of eye makeup. I will take this Soft Glam palette of Anastasia. So Anastasia do give you this brush with it, which I'm not using because I have a lot of brushes, but this brush is really helpful because it has a fluffy side, and the part with which you can put the lot of color, right? So we will be starting with this palette. Let me take my brushes and let's just start doing the best. For the first of all, I will start, see, the eyes have three parts, right? This eye has three parts. The first part is just under this bone, this part which we call the outer corner, and then the inside part, which is the inner corner, and then we have this lid. So these things we do, eyes has a lot to do, and they do show a lot of things. So I will take one fluffy brush, fluffy, see this. Okay, and then I will take this sienna, like brownish color, which is very beautiful brown, if you see, right? So I will be taking this brush, dusting the extra color off. You never put a lot of color on your eyes. Need to blend it pretty well. So let's go easy, 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 slowly. See the brown. Take it a little bit outer. Not total inside, but then a little bit out, and we are covering the inner corner also. We have just left with the eyelid. See that? Okay, same we're gonna go and do on the other side. We'll take it here, outer corner and inner corner. Fluffy brush do not give you a lot of definition, but yes, if you see, it looks beautiful. It makes a proper highlighting which we need to do, and you can see a proper clean eyelid left, right? Same is here, same is here. You have to bring the color little bit in inner corner and outer corner both. It has to go outer and inside both equally a lot. Might look messy initially to you, but then it's not. Okay, and you can blend, and we'll put it little bit under the eye as well to match this, and we'll create this look like triangular on the side. Same goes that side. Don't be afraid of this dark color. If you're not used to dark colors, still see, keep blending, the color will go lighter, and it will actually go lighter. See, the color is very light. It shows up dark, but it's very light. It's just a normal highlighting. that's what we have done. And now I'm gonna take another color. And now again, this color is going to be brown, okay, because I do not want to look too much like some, what do you call, I don't want to give it a dark look, so I'm taking this burnt orange, this brown. It's a chocolate brown, looks very pretty. So I'm gonna go in the lid and I'm gonna put this color. So I have, this time I have taken the darker color outside and the lighter color inside. You can always do variations. You can take lighter color outside, darker color inside, and then just blend, blend, blend. Blending is very important. If you don't blend, the color will look in one place like cluttered, and the look won't come like this. See the look. Looks like the eyes skin, it's the color is gone inside the eye. See, it's so beautiful. Same goes on the other side. Keep blending with the light hand, light brush. Don't hold the brush so tight, and don't do it like usually people do. Like most of the people will actually put the colors over there and they will not blend it properly. And you know, yeah, maybe the makeup looks good, but then later on after some time it's gonna look very bad because it's gonna show up, lines will show up. Now see how plain and how clean it is. Now after doing this, it looks like very good. Like if you see the eye like this, it's very plain and it's very normal. This colors you can carry anytime. You can just add eyeliners and mascara and you know, eyelashes and kajal to it and just make this look beautiful. Or you can add any glitter over here and make it even better. You can add you know, a colored glitter eyeliner as well and make it even better. So that's up to you how you make it. But right now I'm gonna add one eyeliner here. For the winged eyeliner, we not just make an you know, line and just draw on one side and then draw on the other side. We always make both the sides first and then match them and then only fill it up. Let's see. And because I don't want a lot of big things, so just gonna keep it very easy, and so just watch it. Okay, so once the winged eyeliner is done, we will quickly take the mascara and we will be putting the mascara. We're gonna be blending it downwards. And then upwards. Even if you want to put a eyelash, see, my lashes are pretty good and they have become even better after using a mascara. I do not honestly feel the need of eyelashes. Same goes for the other side. Put the extra product on the starting, blend, 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 blend. Once it's blended, pull it up. Okay, once this is done, we will be quickly doing the inner corners and the lower lash. So for the inner corner, I will be taking this one. Okay, I will take a highlighter because I want to do it silver. So I will take a, you know, silver highlighter from here and just gonna put it here. Take a product, close the eye, pull your nose a bit, just fix it. Looks pretty. Same little bit more here. Okay. looks fine. Okay, now we're gonna be taking the same highlighter to highlight near the eyebrow. Just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little here, just a little there. Okay, now this is done. Okay, finally we will be putting little bit of the color that we took, the lighter color. Okay, from the Soft Glam, we'll take this burnt orange little bit and just put it below. Below the eye. Now, if you want to put an eyelash, it's up to you. If you want to add something here, some glitter or something, you can add. But honestly, this look goes everywhere. You do not have to add anything into it. It's a day look and you can, carry it for any occasion, If you just look at this, it just look flawless. Okay, and my lips because I love the gloss and I want that on my face. So this is the look that you can create with effortlessly. You do not have to create a lot of heck out of it. So if you like this look, it's amazing, I know, and this is just the plain look that you can carry anywhere and anytime. But then from this palette Soft Glam, as I'm going a little bit just for a walk or something, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glitter here. You can see it looks fab with that, just a bit of it, not a lot. This glitter is also not a very hype one, it's just a normal glitter. See how beautiful it looks. Fabulous, isn't it? And just with one little bit of eyeliner also I would like to add. This is by Urban Decay. Urban Decay. So I'm just gonna add this eyeliner because it is pinky, and I'm just gonna make my black one little bit of pinky in the stud. If you want, you can make your wings glittered like that in the corners, or you can keep it only in the starting and just like that. How's that? This look looks amazing, isn't it? So keep watching my channel and do subscribe, like and comment, and I'll be coming up with more such videos and such different looks which gonna be which you can carry anytime and anywhere, and you can make them on the brides even, because nowadays it's no more the fashion with a lot of loud colors. It's more of the subtle colors. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Have a great day.